First off, let's install the batteries. Unfortunately, these do not come in the box. Would have been nice if they did, but they are AAA batteries, so chances are you have those lying around the house. To install them, you have to unscrew this little screw over here with the included Allen key, remove the cover, and then pop in the batteries, put the cover back and tighten with the Allen key. Once they're in and you turn the lock on, let's add the admin fingerprint. To do so, simply press and hold on the button, and then it's gonna let you add your fingerprint as the admin control. You can test it out by pressing the button and authenticating with your fingerprint, and this should unlock the lock. Now let's install this on your door. First off, remove the center screw over here, and then simply unscrew the door handle from both sides of the door. Once you have the door handles out, all you have to do is push the lock cylinder out. You might need to insert the key and just wiggle it a little bit to set it loose, but that's very easy. It shouldn't require a lot of force, and simply push it out. Once this is out, let's install the WELOCK. So on the other side of the WELOCK, there's the doorknob. Again, use the Allen key to remove that, and then insert it through the plate of your door handle and into your door and align it properly. Before you tighten things up, to make sure it works, just authenticate your fingerprint and turn the knob to make sure that it locks and unlocks the door. The nice thing about these is they are adjustable from both back and front to account for different door thicknesses, and you can adjust them up to 20 millimeters both in the back and the front of the door. But if you do need more, they do come with an extension kit that allows you to extend up to 100 millimeters. Once you've adjusted to the length needed, just screw everything back in and you're good to go. You can then download the WELOCK app, create an account, and add the lock by scanning the QR code on the lock. To add an RFID card, it's also very simple. You can do this via the app or the door lock itself. Simply press the button again for 5 seconds, authenticate your admin fingerprint, and then just scroll down to add an RFID card. Tap the card on the lock and it should be added. Via the application, it's also very easy. Simply click on Add RFID card, and there's a QR code on the card itself, so scan that and the card will be added. Now this by itself unlocks via Bluetooth, so you need to be in close proximity, about 10 meters of the lock, to unlock it. But if you want remote access, then you must get the Wi-Fi box, which I talked about earlier, and installing this is very easy